or potato prints.
Materials required: a thin chart paper, watercolor, a large apple, leaves. Steps to follow: cut the apple into half. Brush paint over the surface of one half of the apple. Press the painted surface firmly onto the chart paper to get its print. Make many such apple prints. Brush paint over the surface of the leaves and press onto the paper to make leaves of the apple. Your wrapping paper is ready.